Jaden, you realize that the same men who booed you out of recognition when they were on top, it's the same man seeking, it's the same set of men seeking your recognition. It simply means that there can be a switch in destiny. You never know. They can come back for them what they call their position. You never know that. WorldDawg can't want Jaden because you don't understand. You don't understand what I'm talking about. WorldDawg can't want Jaden because of sincerity. Not the oh, you go want me. You go tell me the truth. Say your spot, I want back my spot. You see, Jaden. You see, Jaden. It's not that Jaden happy with the way I'm doing now. He wish he could have done better. No matter how you hear him come out and talk. Jaden wish him could have done better. Jaden wish him could have done the right instead of doing the wrong. Did you know that? Jaden wish him could have done the right. But because he realized, say, when him do the wrong, him get more recognition. You understand me? So we all go cuss Jaden. We are all going to cuss him, class him, tear him down. Don't. Yeah. Wanna support it. Yeah. You can't blame him for doing what sells. So why it bother you? Why it bother you? Jaden talk badly about females, so should he not? May I ask a question? Should a man not talk badly about a female? This is an important question to most of you females out there. May I ask you a question? Should a man talk badly to a female? Should a man talk badly to a female, but I think he doesn't know better? I think he does. Let me ask the most important question now. The females on the app, are they a great representative of females? The females on the app, are they a great representative? So why shouldn't a man talk badly to such a female? See a story with the woman at the well? Jesus deliberately waited on her. You know? Deliberately. Jesus tell us, say, a whole heap of man you have. A whole heap of man and none of them no want you. Literally. A whole heap of man and none of them no want you. You ever wonder? You blame all yourself, say you're all no good. You don't? Whole heap of man. That's why she said, yeah, Jesus said nobody hide it. Don't hide it. Whole heap of man you have. Yeah? So, well, how you carry yourself is how people are going to deal with you. Now, I tell you, say you carry yourself better than people try to fling you in or something, you know. But you have to have resistance. That is why I ask the question every day. How she reaching a Jaden house? No standard invites demon. You never know. Yeah, and in manipulative. Jaden is not manipulative. Oh, Jaden, come here, I want to say something to you. May I say this to you, Jaden, the more you listen. You say, TJ, Maya's wife, is not a good individual. You see, Maya's wife is never a good individual. And if I me like you, me give him a no-knowings deal. Maya's wife is not a good individual towards you. You see, TJ, this is his behavior. You see, anytime the net is going against you, he side with the net. You see, anytime the net is going for you, everything when you say with him, he understand that it's a joke. You and TJ always run it off when you're on your high. But you see, once TJ identify you're going down, all of a sudden everything you do, TJ knows you. I'ma just sit down so I may listen to the screen recording. I may say, dear TJ. So when people say Jaden manipulative, Jaden isn't. Jaden isn't. TJ is a dirty man. And for such, me know Maya have to live under TJ's government. Me not ask you. Maya is not the girl that you put on the app. Me not ask you. Maya Osh what is true. Every day your man give away. Your man learn nothing from you. Your man, TJ is taking from you, Maya. Honestly. Me say this when me hear TJ. When me hear TJ, me say, mighty God of Daniel. Oh, you know, true, you and figure it out. Them a friend now. Me not hear your style him as Batman. No, TJ is not going to. You wouldn't expect him to. Would you? They are cool now. So if Jaden tell a girl say you would be white affect, you know, you say out your cocky. Jaden no can say your body big. Your body big for true or false. I hope it lifeful and not lifeless. So are you full of attitude? So are you so thin skin? You're thin skin like you're a real batty boy. You just thin skin like your name TJ Slay for real. Me tell Jaden this. The people them around you, I can't wait for the day them a trample you. You're not here. A long time me I said this to you. I cannot wait. You don't listen. You don't need anybody but yourself. Mr. TJ happy for take you. Did you know say you keep TJ relevant, Jaden? Anybody that makes it on the app, TJ link with them. TJ is a low vibration. Well, if me and Shay favor, cute boss, diamond, me, Shay, and figure it out, we're gone 5 heartbeats. Who this calling me? No, me not understand. So explain all of this to me. TJ is a wicked, dirty drunk crow. And Jaden, I get caught in the web. Jaden, you can't say me not tell you now. Oh, God always give a warning. You so she come for information and it blow up in her face and you bring back the dead. Return of the living dead. Alright. Yeah, so easy it is. TJ know him send him cocky to everybody. So why am I going so about Jaden ease off for that now? TJ knows him gonna send him out to all man. Cause TJ know that flawless. TJ not sure in himself, that's why I'm have to send out him body. Him body and him only credit card, him ID that. And if TJ quickly can send wood to everybody, it simply means that him is a cocky seller and I saw him get Maya. I saw him get Maya. You never know. After them now come from basic school, I preach. Them now come from preach. He's a body seller. Maya there with a pimp my ride. See there? He was her gifter. And end up with Maya. Then when people say Maya is the decent one from the app, no, Maya not have nothing of a Chevy. Because remember Chevy gift a breeder too. It's just that Maya gift and a breeder. Them just end up together. And only give people more than one deserve. TJ says so. Come now, man. It never come from my mouth. I only can use for them words. So when I see TJ, I talk to Jaden like that, I shake my head. I shake my head. That means that TJ did dying for Shay bring you down. So him vex so the bring down no come. And I tell you this, Jaden, if you think WorldDawg now wait for you, you see your WorldDawg quickly click live with you, and I go on the most way like you and him a come from far. When WorldDawg did a rain, WorldDawg despise you, Jaden. Talk truth now. God have to bring some man to your foot, make them be your footstool. You know realize where I go on, you know. When WorldDawg did a rain, him take up Raja over you. Come now, man. When WorldDawg did a rain, him take up Quiet Perry over you. For what? Rawr. Yeah? I know me say you WorldDawg figure it out, sit down. You know long figure it out, depend the net I tell lie pan girl, and WorldDawg I run the app. WorldDawg ever give figure it out the time of day yet? I tell you this. When WorldDawg find Yannick, WorldDawg say Yannick him woman richer than everybody, all on a gift that we used to gift him. Come now, man. Jaden, what you notice from that? What you notice from that, Jaden? You realize that the same men who booed you out of recognition when they were on top, it's the same man seeking, it's the same set of men seeking your recognition. It simply means that there can be a switch in destiny. You never know. They can come back with them, what they call their position. You never know that. WorldDawg can't want Jaden because you don't understand. You don't understand what I'm talking about. WorldDawg can't want Jaden because of sincerity. Oh, you go want me. You go tell me the truth. Say, your spot, I want back my spot. WorldDawg would want anybody who they on top to feel as if him look good. He never want Britney and take her spot. Come now, man. Wanna forget about the individual we are talking about. Wanna forget what we are talking about. We're talking about the same individual who come on the internet and convince the internet that he's going to do a charity. You understand me? And persuade his friends to come on his side. And they did talk that the barrels are there with the crocs. And I'll know Jamaica no crocs out. So what kind of warning could you give? Is it a warning or a threat? May I ask you, is it a warning or a threat? So you see, this is it. A lot of times we don't understand. I mean, it can be both. You see a man's face, but you never see his heart. So it can be both. It has to be a threat. You understand me? It has to be a threat. It has to be a threat. And anytime somebody dip on top, them leash themselves onto them. You understand me? But your WorldDawg still gonna say, me I come back from a position. Now what do you say that? When the thing say, yeah. What is that saying? Jaden, you realize that and some gunman come from nowhere but yet still have a heart to get you out of the game? You realize? And this thing going on in a circle. If you don't realize, Jaden, put that in your pipe and smoke it, my brother. Stay by yourself because you're stronger alone. But no. No, let me tell you something. You see a man that prays for a car and get it? You see if him don't drive that vehicle alone, and you want to play a good life and give to everybody, or spin out tight, you will never have a car. Just so you know that. Big up on yourself, stay blessed and keep sweet. Live, laugh, love. Put God before everything and everyone.